Okay, so can you tell I was feeling myself in my intro? So hello everyone, this is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and real quick, this video is sponsored by a company called UNice. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. They did send me a 13x6 curly frontal. It is a pre-plucked lace front wig. It is 150 density, and it is their curly texture. I will put the details in the description box below, but it is pre-plucked. This is how the hair looks fresh out of the packaging, and I'm just showing you guys the contents that come inside. This is your standard 13x6 frontal. It has a large parting space in the middle and just the shorter parting spaces on the side. And it does have the 3 combs in the top and the 1 comb in the back, just so you can secure it, along with the adjustable bands in the very back. So I'm just popping this wig on my mannequin head, and this is how the hairline looks already pre-customized. The knots aren't super dark, but of course I'm gonna go in as always with the spray bottle and make sure to start plucking the hairline, just because I want it to look a little bit more natural. And as you can see, where I pull the baby hair forward, there's like a line going right behind that. We just want to get rid of that line. So here I am just using my tweezers to go ahead and pluck this hairline. I tend to pluck a lot of the front of my hairline because I like it to look more realistic for my specific hairline. My hair is not super thick, so I just don't like my lace to be super thick. I want it to kind of look believable, so that's what I'm just doing here. And I'm going to finish plucking this side and do the same thing to the other side. And I'm going to show you guys the difference between a side that's already plucked and a side that's not plucked. So this side is pretty much plucked, but right here at the bottom, I noticed that it needed to be plucked a little bit more. So now I just went in and did that, and now she's all done. So I'm just applying a little bit of my Got2b gel in the black bottle, and I'm just gonna put a tiny bit just in the front. I'm not gonna glue down the sides. I'm gonna rock this 2 different ways. I wanna show you guys how it looks when you just put a little bit of gel in the front and just wear it with the comb attachments. It does lay pretty flat and look really natural, but I'm gonna also show you guys how it looks when you lay it, like glue it down. So I actually recorded this video in 2 sections. This was day 1. I did all my other videos, which is why I have the same shirt on as the last 4 videos. This is the curl pattern straight out. I didn't do anything to it. So now I'm just going to show you guys how long the hair is. It's gorgeous. Like, I was really feeling this curl pattern. I like this kinky curly hair. So now I'm just going to take my spray bottle and wet the hair down, and I'm going to show you how to style it a few ways. Glueless, I'll say, because it's only a little bit of gel in the front. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys how it looks when I did glue it down. And we're going to come back with a whole new beat too, honey. And the water was dripping all down my forehead, so I have a line of makeup that's disappearing. So just ignore that. It was a long day. I was putting on wigs back to back. But this hair, I didn't have to put any product in. I really did love the natural texture. And I actually wore this wig today to work, and I wore it last night. So just in case you're thinking I'm just saying this just because, I really did like this hair, and it's on my story, and I posted on my IG also. So this is how it looks first style. And she's cute, honey. I was really feeling myself. And now we're going to switch to my night look in my PJs, honey. And I'm going to show you how she slayed when I glued her down. And I did add a few baby hairs for the people that want to see some baby hair. Finally giving you guys some baby hair realness. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.